what might happen when you spray your mattress with alcohol. 1. Disinfection. Alcohol can effectively kill bacteria, viruses, and some types of fungi on contact. If you suspect that your mattress is harboring harmful microorganisms, spraying it with alcohol can help disinfect the surface. 2. Odor removal. Alcohol can help neutralize odors, including those caused by sweat, body oils, or spills. It can break down and evaporate volatile compounds responsible for bad smells. If you decide to use alcohol to clean or disinfect your mattress, consider the following tips. 1. Dilution. If you choose to use alcohol, dilute it with water to reduce its concentration and potential negative effects on the mattress materials. 2. Spot testing. Before applying alcohol to the entire mattress, test it in an inconspicuous area to ensure it doesn't cause damage or staining.